I kind of sit on a three-legged stool. So one of the legs is really unrelated to my professional work. I'm just at the service of our Native communities in cultural work. Everything from naming ceremonies to traditional Ojibwe funerals and everything in between. It's probably a third of my time. It's all uncompensated and just in the traditions of our people. I spend about a third of my time doing my actual job, which is professor of Ojibwe at Bemidji State University. I write books and so forth. And I probably spend about a third of my time speaking to Native history, sovereignty, but also issues of tackling tough problems in our world, race, gender, and trying to make the world a better place. To me, those are like three strands of a braid. They all, intersect with one another and feed one another.